Hi everyone, I want to show you all the crystals and metaphysical items, tarot cards, and everything I have on sale at wholesale prices. They can be included in a wholesale bundle starting at $100 or more. So you can let me know what you want a bundle of, give me some ideas, and I'll put a bundle together for you. Alright guys, I'm doing an inventory reduction sale because I am starting our new business, Our Crazy Signs. So the only thing I will be selling from crystals anymore is going to be my grab bags. I'm going to continue to sell the crystal grab bags filled with a bunch of crystals. Other than that, I'm moving on and getting into signs, metal tin signs, and funny ornaments. These are the ornaments. But here we go. Let me show you what I have. All crystals are on sale at wholesale prices. I've got lots of spheres, towers. I've still got money trees. I've got fairy garden accessories, tons and tons of fairies and cats and all kinds of stuff to create your own fairy garden or gnome garden. I have gnomes, trolls, all kinds of stuff. But this is what I have left in crystals. Dragon heads, I have skulls, I have Pikachus, I have cats and dogs. Those dogs are white jade. I've got lots of tiaras left, lots of bracelets, spheres, lots and lots of towers, and I have larger towers at home. I have rune sets. I have these selenite bowls. I have all the fairy garden stuff here. Houses. All kinds of stuff. I have jewelry. I have all my necklaces are stainless steel chains. Stainless steel 20-inch chains. I have lots of different crystals. Tree of Life. I have lots of different Tree of Life ones. Points. All kinds of necklaces that I can give you in a bundle also. Tarot cards and oracle cards. I have lots and lots of tarot cards and oracle card decks left that I can also give you at wholesale prices. I have all these. I have tarot books. I have beginner tarot kits down on the bottom there. Alright guys, contact me. Go to my website. You can order a bundle on my website for whatever amount you would like. And then I will do a video of a bundle that I put together for you for approval before I would ship. So we have to agree on everything before I'll ship it out. Alright guys, you all have a great day. There's more tarot cards up there. I've got these awesome dragon bone skulls. I've got 3 of them. Have a great day. Contact me. My name is Diane Gracely, and my business is crystals by Diane.com. Bye.